Most people still believe that effort equals reward. Work harder, learn faster, grind longer. But effort has a ceiling, and AI is showing it clearly. Two people start the same day. Both have the same skills. Both work hard, yet one slowly escapes the system. The other stays trapped. The difference is not intelligence, motivation, or luck. It's leverage. The old rules. For centuries, leverage was rare. Landowners, factory owners, media moguls, they had it. Most people traded time for money. Hard work mattered, but progress was linear. You could climb, yes, but only step by step. Effort was limited by hours. Opportunity was scarce, and everyone believed, work harder, you'll succeed. Pow! AI changed everything. AI doesn't just speed up work, it multiplies leverage. One system can now do what used to take hundreds of hours. Output flows to whoever controls the system. Tools alone don't create advantage. Leverage does. Most people see AI as a productivity tool, a calculator, a helper. Few see it as a system. Few see it as a way to replicate decisions, automate processes, and scale influence without extra effort. And those who do understand quietly pull ahead. Leverage in practice. Imagine the first works hard, task after task. The second builds a system once, lets it run automatically. After a week, the first produced 8 hours worth per day. The second, 80. Leverage, not labor, is the difference. This applies everywhere. Content creation. Type versus AI generate and distribute. Investing. Manual research versus automated, data-driven trades. Business. Daily work versus automated systems. The pattern is the same. Those who own systems multiply results silently. The new upper class, the new elite, isn't defined by intelligence or luck. It's defined by who controls the systems. They work once. Let processes repeat. They structure, automate, orchestrate. Quiet, invisible, powerful. Most people are still exchanging hours for output, believing that effort alone will elevate them. And that belief no longer works. Why IT feels unfair. AI exposes hidden inequality. Effort alone no longer scales. Linear improvement is outpaced by exponential systems. The gap is quiet, but compounding. Those who understand leverage grow silently. Those who don't remain busy, stressed, and reactive.